There's Andy. Here we got Bear. Hi, Bear. Charlie. We got Wendy. Deacon. There's Jane. That's Emma. Jane is over there. There's Diego. Windsor and Charlie. There's Deacon. Wendy's a good girl. Gracie's all the way down there. Gypsy's over in the corner. You can't really see her. Charlie and Diego. They're good friends. Here's Gypsy. Gypsy! Here's Ray. Gypsy. Hi, Gypsy. Here's Emma and Jane. There's Riley. Snowman and Stitch are up there. Here's Lilo. Hi, Lilo. Snowman. Stitch. I think Hank is waiting for breakfast.